Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my online video classes. This is your Jessica ma'am. Once again, here with a new lesson from your grammar book, lesson number 10, and lesson's name is articles. So my dear friends, I guess you all know what are articles. Yes, the articles are the words a, an and the. These are used to indicate which person or thing we are referring to in a sentence. They are used before singular nouns. Example, Cleopatra is a famous historical character. Brutus was an honorable man. Caesar was the ruler of Rome. So in all these three examples, you can find these words a and the. They are indicating to a particular person. So my dears, let's see the types of articles. There are basically two types of articles. One is definite article and number two is indefinite article. So first of all, let us turn into indefinite articles. What are they? A and an are indefinite articles because they refer to a person or a thing in general. Let's see through an example. Our mother made a bowl of noodles for breakfast. She gave us an orange and an apple. Now in these sentences, the articles a and an do not refer to any particular bowl, apple or orange. So we use a before words that starts with consonant sound like bowl, and we use and before words that begins with a vowel sounds like orange and apple. Now let's note down one thing, that if a word begins with a vowel but has a consonant sound, we use a before it. Example, Paula is a European. Now, when a word begins with a consonant and has a vowel sound, we use an before it. This is often done with words that begin with H. Example, Vaibhav is an hour late. Now let's turn to definite articles. What are they? The word the is the definite article because it is used before a particular person or thing. While a and an are used before any person or thing, but the is used before a specific person or a specific thing. Example, the sun is shining brightly. The class monitor gave us the teacher's message. Now, how to use the word the? Let's see. It is used before the names of rivers. Example, the Ganges, the Yamuna. And secondly, it is used before the names of oceans and seas. Example, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea. And thirdly, it is used before the names of mountain ranges and deserts. Example, the Alps, the Thar, the Himalayas. It is used before the names of objects which are the only one of their kind. Example, the sun, the moon. And it is used before the names of famous buildings. Example, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. And also it is used with the superlative adjectives. Example, the best student, the tallest boy. And my dears, it is also used in phrases like the first, the last, the ul. Example, he was the first to survive. Well, my dears, we need to remember one most important thing, that is where we are not supposed to add an article, that is omission of article, where it is not at all necessary. So let's see. First of all, the articles are not used before the names of people, towns and cities. Example, Rajesh wants to be a sailor when he grows up. Number 2, London is the capital of England. So here we have not added any article. Secondly, these articles are not used before the names of days of the week and months of the year. Example, Monday is the first day of the week. Number 2, January is the first month of the year. You can see that here also none of the articles are added. Number 3, they are not used before the name of precious metals. Example, this ring is made of gold. So here also you can see that these articles are not necessary in all the 3 cases, like the names of people, towns and cities, days of the week, months of the year, names of the precious metals. My dears, today we have learned about articles. The words a and the are the articles. And we have also learned the types of articles. Number 1, indefinite articles and definite articles. In indefinite articles, we use a and an. And in definite articles, we use the word the. And we have also come to know the usage of these articles. And again we have learned that where we have to omit these articles. I hope you all understood the lesson well. See you all in our next lesson. Till then, do take care of yourself. Be at home and be safe. Thank you.